Turning errors into lessons. Mastering reported negative statements. Hello, English learners. In today's video, we are going to take a deep dive into the topic of reported speech, specifically focusing on reporting negative statements. As with every language structure, it's common to encounter errors while learning. But don't worry, in this video, we'll learn how to identify and correct these errors to perfect our reported speech skills. Firstly, let's revisit the concept of reported negative statements. When we report what someone else said in negative form, we use reported speech. For example, if your friend said, "I don't like apples," you would report this as, "He said that he didn't like apples." The two key elements here are changing the tense from present to past and maintaining the negative form. Now, let's move on to identifying the common errors people make while forming reported negative statements. 1. Wrong tense. The tense of the verb often gets mistaken. Remember, we usually shift back one tense in reported speech. 2. Neglecting the negative. Sometimes, the not gets lost in translation. Always ensure that the negative aspect of the statement is retained. 3. Incorrect pronoun use. Pronouns should be changed according to the speaker and the listener. Time for some practice. I'll provide some examples of incorrect reported negative statements, and we'll work on spotting and fixing the errors together. 1. Incorrect. He said he doesn't have time. Correct. He said he didn't have time. 2. Incorrect. She told me that she can't swim. Correct. She told me that she couldn't swim. 3. Incorrect. They said we don't need to wait. Correct. They said that we didn't need to wait. In each of these examples, the errors were related to tense and the maintenance of the negative form. Can you spot them now? That brings us to the end of our lesson on identifying errors and reported negative statements. I hope this video has helped you understand and correct the common mistakes made in reported speech. Remember, practice is key in mastering any language structure, so keep practicing these rules until they become second nature. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!